And I'm really very happy to inaugurate this Bhagavad Gita program, which is going to be held for 7 days. And I'm really very happy that this is the time, because in Tamil Nadu we celebrate Margali festival. Margali festival, this whole month is dedicated to Narayana Krishna. So this program organized by Samskrita Bharati, I really appreciate your efforts in this. And it is the need of the hour. The youngsters, I always say, we blame the youngsters because they are attracted towards foreign culture, different culture. But it's just the fault of us not highlighting, enlightening them with the Puranas and the good things from our country. For example, a child crawls in a veranda in front of its house, where neem fruits drop from the neem tree. This child takes the neem fruit and tastes it and said, so sweet. We all know neem fruits, 75% bitter, not even 75%, 90% bitter, 10% only sweet. This child says, picks the neem fruit and says, so sweet. Like our youngsters saying, the attracted by the foreign culture, saying that it's very attractive. The child of this, which house? The house has in its kitchen the honey dropping jackfruit is there. The ripe mango fruit is there. The sweetest banana type is there. But the elders, they didn't provide these sweet fruits to the child, and the child didn't taste these tastiest fruits of the house, which is kept in the kitchen. The child says the neem fruit is the tastiest and the sweetest. So I think this program provides the youngsters the fruitness of the Gita so that they taste the fruitfulness of our Puranas, the Gita, so that they follow it in the life. As our saint Swami Vivekananda said, the Upanishads and Gita provide me strength, strength, and only strength. So, till now it was here, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this inauguration of Gita Jnana Saptagam organized by Samskrita Bharati, I really appreciative of this effort, because as I said, what all the core subject of Gita, we have as child, we have heard in the discourses by the saints in the temples. As a child, we have gone and heard it. And what all the, not even the core Gita, the stories associated with Gita, the subject of Gita, we have heard so much. And as I said, that John Barber, he has told, then everyone was very much surprised about his attitude. Then he told, everyone asked, in this height of the war, how could we so calm? He told, I had my undergraduation in a great country of India. And during that time, I have read Bhagavad Gita. And it taught me to be its same attitude, whether we are in calm situation or in a confused situation, everything is with God. So I developed this attitude after reading Gita. He has written in his book. So why I am telling this is the strength of Gita. Whatever the situation in our life we face, Gita gives us answer. During my childhood, in a discourse, a saint was telling a story. I want to narrate this. Arjuna had the bow and arrow. Dharma told Arjuna, you are having the bow and arrow, but you are not using it. What is this? Like that, he criticized the bow and arrow. Arjuna promised and took a oath that if anyone criticized the bow and arrow of him, will kill him. So now his godfather, his mentor, Dharma has criticized the bow and arrow. So now he has to kill him according to the oath taken by him, the promise taken by him. But he was confused. He was my godfather. He criticized what to do. I have to keep up my promise. So he ran to Krishna. Krishna, I promised, I took a oath that if anybody criticizes my bow and arrow, I will kill him. But Dharma criticized the bow and arrow. What to do? Then Krishna told, go and tell some disrespectful words to him. He scolded him. He went and told. He scolded him. Krishna told, if you scold the elders, if you disrespect elders, it is like killing him, killing them. So he went and scolded him. Then he fulfilled his promise. But he didn't get sleep because I scolded my elder. It is like killing him. I killed him. Now I feel like suicide myself. I want to kill myself. The feeling which I'm having is I have criticized my elder. So the feeling which I'm having is now I have to kill myself. Then again he went to Krishna. Krishna, now I have a feeling that I have to kill myself. A suicidal tendency is with me because I have disrespected my elder. I have criticized my elder. Then Krishna told, you talk self-pride of you. Boast yourself. So when a young child, as a child, when I heard the story, we respected our parents and we thought disrespecting our parents is like killing them. So if a child is taught like that, will the child disrespect its parents, disobey its parents? So that's the message. And another thing, now the self-pride spoils our future in most of the places, even office, in the society. If we talk self-pride, we lose our opportunities. So it is like killing us. So the discourses which we heard connecting with Gita told these stories, and this became a lesson to us. And following this, we all become very successful youngsters, and then we followed it in life. So whatever Gita says, it helps us to face any situation in life. So only Rajagopalacharya told about Gita, that whatever the hurdles we face in the life, there is an answer from Gita. Same thing our father of nation Gandhiji told. Gita is my guide, and whatever the situation I face, there is an answer in Bhagavad Gita. So even from my childhood, even though I read large number of books, even recently in an interview, they asked which is the book which you like most. From my childhood, even though I have read many more medical books or scientific books or political books, still now I say the book I like is our Bhagavad Gita. Because it guides us. I can boldly say the success story which we wrote by ourselves, because from our childhood we learnt Gita and we are heard Gita. And Lord Krishna is always besides us, guides us. So I really appreciate Samskrita Bharati, and Samskrita Bharati are doing wonderful job. And it is said, because we are all we love our mother tongue, but in Italy they did a research saying that reciting Sanskrit slogas improved the brain function, and Alzheimer's disease is prevented in them, So this is the proved research, not from India. It's the proved research from Italy. So Samskrita Bharati is doing a very wonderful job. And I'm really very happy that this program has been initiated. And I'm very happy to inaugurate the Samskrita Bharati Telangana branch, the Pragna Bharati, and the Impact Foundation, the inaugural function of the Gita Jnana Saptagam organized by Samskrita Bharati. I'm really very happy to get connected, and all these following days, the youngsters and the people who hear all the discourses definitely will be benefited by this, and I wish this should continue, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.